G'day people, Andy here. Yeah, just wanted to give you a bit of a look at what I've been doing lately. Come across a bit of balsa that I had down in the workshop, so I decided to start scratch building a few bits and pieces for the layout. Got a beginnings of a bridge portal there, a tunnel portal and a girder bridge, plate girder bridge. It's obviously designed to go with the Kato N scale track. With the tunnel portal, I'm not quite sure on my heights and widths yet. I'm waiting on some locos that are in the mail, which will hopefully turn up tomorrow or the next day, and that'll allow me to sort of run them around the track and get an idea of sort of the dimensions that I need that tunnel portal to be. I'm also lacking some rolling stock as well, so obviously I need to take into account if I run longer carriages around the layout to allow sort of enough dimension and width to get them through okay. But everything's sort of coming together okay. I mean, it's as I say, it's only scratch built. It's not scratch built out of balsa, but I think it should be fairly to scale. So it'll just sort of drop in there like so. So it's obviously not finished. There's still a bit more to go on it, but that's sort of the profile it'll have. I think from a distance it shouldn't look too bad. So I'll get a little bit more work done on that, and I'll update a bit further. So I've done a little bit more work on the plate girder bridge. I'm fairly happy with how it's turned out. It's pretty much the look I was after. So much so that I've started to build a second one, which I think should be enough for the layout at the moment. I've also played around with some of this foam that I've used for the baseboard of the layout, cut some small sections and sort of used a ballpoint pen to put some sort of brickwork look into it, which seems to have come out alright. I've just got to get some compatible paint that will go with it. But yeah, overall I'm fairly happy with the way that's come out, so I'm going to make a twin of that. I haven't done any more work on the portal at the moment. Just want to sort of get these two knocked out, but I'm fairly happy with the way that's going. So I hope that in my next update it'll show the plate girdle bridge in place, or both. Hopefully with a few new locos to run around the track. I'm also rethinking the way that I'm going to set the track up. That'll come in later. These are basically the blanks that I've made, which I then put the brickwork look into. They're actually 40mm in height, so that seems to work quite well for what I'm after. But overall, I'm quite happy with the way that looks. Obviously, a little bit of sanding, a little bit of fine sanding, and a few coats of primer, and then we can sort of look maybe weathering. And as I say, I've got to come up with some foam compatible paint, which I hope to do during the week. And once all that's done, I'll update more. Thanks for watching.